tough game for us, and right from the start, from the beginning, our discipline in the bowling was not that good. So I think they played very well right from the start for us.
When you look at a team like India, what are the lessons that you have learned over the course of the last 3 days?
Well, the reality is that we don't have that experience in this format. I think we learned a lot from this game because we don't get enough opportunities to play this format. But everybody knows that India is a tough team playing in their own conditions. But a lot of lessons to us, and hopefully that we learn from this, and hopefully that we learn to play under pressure when the things get tougher.
What about the positives? Because the way Salim bowled and the way some of the batters batted, there was a lot of positives too from this game.
Yeah, we had positives, especially Salim. Salim was part of the team before this, but he got injured in the middle of 2 hours. I think he did a brilliant comeback. The way he was bowling, I am very happy for him. And in the batting also, Rahmat played really well in the first innings, and in the second innings, I think Sajid was also good.
And what about a word for the debutant Manav Sutar? What did the team feel when you guys faced him?
I think he bowled really well. He bowled stump to stump, and he was very disciplined in his bowling. That's why we struggle against him, because if you look at the pitch behavior was also keep changing session by session. I think the score ball pressure was there, and also with that the pitch condition was changing, and I think they weren't really disciplined.
Najmat, commiserations, but we all hope that you get lots of games, and thanks for playing with a smile and all the passion that you have.
Thank you very much.
Azmatullah Shahidi, Afghanistan skipper. Now on to the awards. We'll start with the Apollo Tyres Go the Distance Award. The winner gets a trophy and ₹1 lakh, which will be presented by Mr. Jaswinder Pal Singh, and it goes to Rishabh Pant for hitting a 6 that cleared an impressive distance of 85 meters. Gurbaz also had a 6 which was 85 meters, but Rishabh hit more 6 in his knock of 81.
1 lakh and an award.
SBI Live अपने लिए अपनों के लिए award. This winner too gets a trophy and ₹1 lakh, and may I request Mr. Oais Bashir to come forward and present this, and it goes to Washington Sundar for an all-round performance on the field. Half century, 5 wickets, bowled very nicely in the second innings, Washington Sundar. The next award is the Campa Great Striker of the Match Award. The winner will get a trophy and ₹1 lakh to be presented by Mr. Vinayak Agnihotri, and it goes to Shubman Gill. 15 fours for his century mark. The next award is the Attenborough Smart Saver of the Match Award. The winner will get a trophy and ₹1 lakh to be presented by Mr. Atul Singh, and it goes to Afsar Zazai. Very good with the gloves. Some overall brilliance on the pitch, Afsar Zazai. Now it's time for the IDFC First Bank Player of the Match Award. Couple of centurions, good performance from Washington Sundar. But on debut, 6 for 33, Manav Sutar is our player of the match, and will receive a trophy and ₹1 lakh to be presented by Mr. Gurmeet Singh Nair. Scored 28 runs, also took 3 catches. A wonderful debut. कमाल है ना? टेस्ट मैच कितना आसान है?
नहीं सर, ऐसा कुछ
मैं मजाक कर रहा हूँ आपके साथ, बट रियली वेल बोल्ड. क्या थी आपकी फीलिंग्स जब आपको पता चला कि आपको ये जो कैप है जिसके लिए सब कोशिश कर रही है आपको मिलने वाला है?
सर बहुत ही अनरियल फीलिंग थी, लाइक टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, क्योंकि यही सपना था स्टार्टिंग से कि इंडिया के लिए खेलना है, टेस्ट क्रिकेट खेलना है, तो बहुत अनरियल फीलिंग थी.
और जब आप गेंदबाजी करने आए, पहले बल्लेबाजी करने आए, तो क्या आपके थोड़े नर्व्स आसान हो गए थे? क्योंकि बल्लेबाजी के बाद जब आप गेंदबाजी करने आए, ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि आप पहला टेस्ट मैच खेल रहे हैं.
नहीं सर, जब बैटिंग करने गए थे तब भी मतलब अच्छा लग रहा था. धीरे धीरे जैसे सेटल हुआ, 2-4 बॉलें खेली,
और फिर विकेट मतलब तभी पता चला कि थोड़ा हेल्प है स्पिनर्स को। फिर बॉलिंग करने आया, जैसे ही मतलब फर्स्ट ओवर डाला उससे पता चला, फिर वही कोशिश की कि बस वही लाइन लेंथ और पेस यूज़ करता है।
जब आपने शुरुआत की गेंदबाजी में तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि आप केवल स्टॉप बॉल डालना चाहते हैं, केवल घुमाना चाहते हैं। क्या ये सही सोच है जो हम ऊपर से जो देख रहे थे? और जैसे जैसे आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ा ऐसा लग रहा था कि आप अलग चीज़ें कोशिश कर रहे थे।
हाँ सर, स्टार्टिंग में यही था कि विकेट कैसा खेल गया, तो जितना ज़्यादा हो सकता है अपनी स्टॉक डिलीवरी को ही बैक करूँ। तो फिर जैसे पता चला कि विकेट थोड़ा स्लो है और उसमें मतलब थोड़ा पेस चाहिए, तो फिर उस हिसाब से फिर वेरिएशन स्टार्ट किया। पहले यही था कि स्टॉक डिलीवरी जितना ज़्यादा हो सकता है।
और एक प्लेयर के लिए कितने गर्व की बात है कि जब सेकेंड इनिंग्स की बात आई तो कप्तान ने आपको नया गेंद सौंपा।
बहुत गर्व की बात है कि मतलब क्या बोल सकते हैं सर, बहुत अच्छी थी।
और जो आपने पहला अपील जो रिव्यू करने की चाहत थी
वो हीट ऑफ द मोमेंट हो गया, मुझे तो ऐसा लगा एकदम सामने है, तो ऐसा।
टेस्ट क्रिकेट में बहुत अच्छी शुरुआत की है। आपको क्या लगता है आपने इस टेस्ट मैच से क्या सीख ली है?
सर यही कि जितना ज़्यादा हो सकता है कंसिस्टेंटली एक जगह पे बॉल डालना, क्योंकि वही सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है। मुझे लगता है टेस्ट क्रिकेट में बहुत पेशेंस का खेल है, तो यही सीखा कि जितना ज़्यादा हो सकता है पेशेंस से बस डालते रहो।
थैंक्स अ लॉट और रियली वेल बोल्ड मानव, इसको बरकरार रखिए, आपको पूरी ऊंचाइयाँ भगवान नसीब दे।
थैंक यू सो मच।
मानव सुतार, प्लेयर ऑफ द मैच। आ जाओ मेरे साथ आ जाओ नहीं मजाक कर रहा हूँ। प्लेयर ऑफ द मैच मानव सुतार। Finally, time to have a chat with the Indian captain Shubman Gill.
मम्मा दे दो 10 पीछे हो गए।
I love the excitement of Manav Sutar, but Shubman Gill, many congratulations on the win. Your immediate thoughts.
I think a complete win from our side, ticked all the boxes, so very happy with that.
And when you came into today, many of us felt maybe you might have a bat. Was the decision to enforce the follow-on unanimous? Because at the end of the day, it's pretty hot here.
No, it was very hot. We decided if we get them before lunch or just after the first innings, we'll see if the bowlers are fresh. We'll give them a follow-on. If not, we'll bat a couple of sessions and maybe at the end of the play, we'll give them a ball game. But we got quick wickets. We came back. And also the way our fast bowlers bowled, Siraj got us that crucial wicket when we gave them a ball when Prasad got 3 important wickets.
And just coming to the spinners, you had a trio of them. What were your impressions the way they bowled?
Very well, the kind of quality I think Mane, Washi and Kuldeep has, all three of them, there was never any doubt. It's all about getting the experience and getting a number of balls and seeing, on wickets like these, how to set the batsman up, keep varying the pace, keep testing the batsman in different areas.
And also when you look at your side, it's a young side. We've spoken about the team being in transition. What do you think India as a team and you as a captain need to do to take this team forward?
I'd say pretty simple, when you're batting first innings, try to post 350 on the board every time you get into bat, no matter where we are playing, what kind of conditions it is. I think there's enough trust in our bowling group that we can take 20 wickets anywhere whenever there's a transition. We feel the batting group is under more pressure, and we are trying to get experience. We're trying to build here to see what kind of game can work for us as the batting group in different conditions and different situations. How can we keep posting regularly 350 for totals on the board?
Lovely, Shubman. Many congratulations on this big win. May I request you to go and collect the IDFC First Bank Test Trophy from Mr. Gurmeet Singh. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
ਉਹ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਬੱਚੇ
ਕੌਣ?
ਕਲਾਸ ਕਿੰਨੀ
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ। हो गया?
चलो
सर वेट करो।
सॉरी सर